Self-forgiveness guided meditation. One of the most important things we can understand about ourselves is that our most intense moments of suffering are when we believe that we are lacking in some way or have done something that is wrong or unacceptable. When we can make peace with our flaws, then we can truly begin to heal. Please make yourself comfortable in whatever posture allows you to be attentive and relaxed. Bringing your awareness to your body and relaxing it with a few full, deep breaths. And finally, bring your awareness to your heart center, taking a few moments to open your heart to yourself. Is there some particular aspect of yourself that feels unbearable? It could be that you find yourself being judgmental or controlling, or perhaps for having hurt somebody else. You might be upset with yourself for ruining your life with addictive behavior. You might be tired of mental obsessions that are overwhelming. What do you feel is so wrong or bad about this behavior, emotion, or thought process? Let yourself feel into this loathing you might have towards yourself. What do you feel is the reason for this behavior? Is there an addiction to food, nicotine, or alcohol? What needs are you trying to fulfill, or fears that you are trying to soothe? If you find yourself judging others, is it because there's an element of fear within you? If you have harmed someone, were you acting out because you have been hurt yourself, or feeling insecure, or wanting to feel powerful or safe? Try to view yourself through the lens of someone who really loves and understands you. This could be a friend or a family member. Although you might dislike these behaviors, hold your vulnerability with compassion. Feel them in your heart, body, and mind. You can even place a hand on your heart and send some tender compassion to the parts of yourself where fear or unmet needs reside, to the parts where the pain might feel unbearable to forgive. You are welcome to whisper, I see my suffering and feel it's time to forgive myself. It's time to free myself with self-forgiveness. Allow yourself to observe any fear, judgment, shame, or grief, and meet it with tender compassion. If you feel any reluctance towards forgiveness, welcome it and feel it in your body. Recall someone in your life who has been unconditionally loving and understanding towards you. What might that feel like to have their compassion and support? What do you feel happens when you allow unconditional forgiveness to permeate your internal wounds or areas of vulnerability? If you feel you're unable to forgive yourself, ask yourself, what is preventing me from being gentle towards myself? Is there a fear or perhaps a worry that by forgiving yourself, you might repeat the unforgivable or need to face something about yourself? Whatever arises, acknowledge it with compassion and acceptance. Finally, I invite you to whisper or say out loud, and feel free to paraphrase this. I would like to forgive myself when I am ready. I would like to forgive myself when I am ready. And hold this intention in your heart as you continue with your day. Just being open to the possibility of forgiveness is the beginning towards healing. Namaste.